Hello students, today we have to see next point, Kelvin's method to determine the resistance of galvanometer. Here this is the circuit diagram for use of Wheaton's meter bridge to determine the resistance of galvanometer. This method is called as the Kelvin's method. Here the galvanometer whose resistance is to be determined is connected in one gap of the meter bridge. This is one gap of the meter bridge. Then non-resistance, that is the resistance box, is connected in the other gap of the meter bridge. Then a suitable resistance is taken in the resistance box. First, some resistance is drawn from this resistance box. Then, current is sent around the circuit by this closing this key. Without touching jockey at any point of the wire, the deflection in the galvanometer is observed. As soon as we close the key, this galvanometer shows some deflection. So, without touching the jockey to any point of the wire, deflection in the galvanometer is noted, observed. Then, rheostat is adjusted. This rheostat is adjusted to get a suitable deflection around 2/3 of its range. Means this rheostat is adjusted to get a deflection of about 20 or 2/3 of its range. Now jockey is tapped at different points of the wire. There is a sliding key called as the jockey, that is a rod, and that we can slide the rod, we can touch the rod at different points of the wire. It is called as the jockey. This jockey is touched to the different points on this wire AC, and point of contact like D, such a point D, for which this galvanometer shows the same deflection as before is determined. What is done? Jockey is touched to the different points of wire and point of contact such like D, at which galvanometer shows same deflection as before is determined. As galvanometer shows same deflection as before, with or without contact between the points B and D, these points must be equipotential points. So this point B and point D will be equipotential points, and network, that is the bridge, will be balanced. Here the length of the bridge wire between points D and left end of the wire is measured. Then this length between A and D, it is measured. Similarly, length between C and D is measured. Let LG be the length of the segment of the wire opposite to the galvanometer. Here, length of the wire between this A and this D, which is in front of this galvanometer, opposite to this galvanometer, it is noted as LG. Length of the wire, length of this segment between C and D, opposite to this R, it is noted as LR. These two lengths LG and LR measured. Let RAD and RDC be the resistances of two parts of the wire AD and DC respectively. This RAD is the resistance of this part of the wire and RDC is the resistance of this segment of the wire. Since network is balanced, here G upon R, as network is balanced, this G upon R is equal to RAD divided by RDC. But here what happens? This RAD is equal to this RAD is equal to, if rho is the resistance per unit length of the wire, then resistance of this segment of the wire will be rho into LG. LG is the length. Similarly, resistance of the wire of this segment CD, it is R, let's write here RDC, RDC. This RDC will be equal to rho into LR. Now if we divide RDC, RAD by RDC, then this rho will cancel with this rho, and what we will get? We will get LG divided by LR. This LG divided by LR. So RAD divided by RDC is equal to LG divided by LR. Let's substitute. If we substitute this value in this equation, we will get this equation, that is G divided by R is equal to LG divided by LR. Now LG plus LR is equal to 100 centimeter. LG plus LR is equal to 100 centimeter because length of the total length of the wire is 100 centimeter, and therefore what will happen? This LR will be, value of this LR will be 100 minus LG. If we substitute this value of LR in the above equation, that is, that equation G is equal to R into LG divided by LR. If we substitute value of LR, this LR is equal to 100 minus LG into this equation, we will get this. Equation. But G is equal to R into LG upon 100 minus LG. Using this formula, the unknown resistance of the galvanometer can be calculated. Here, what is this R? R is the resistance drawn from the resistance box. And what is the LG? LG is the length of segment of the wire in front of galvanometer. So, in this way, we can determine unknown resistance of the wire, unknown resistance of the galvanometer by meter bridge using the Kelvin's method. Thank you.